Wood Spirit, Soldier Spirit. Urushi was stunned by the sight. A martial artist in the first level of Yuan Ling was killed by Nye Tian in one move. It's incredible. Third, the fat man's pig's head fell, just right at the feet of the boss in black, who let out a painful roar. Stinky boy, you killed my third brother, I'll kill you. The lean man in black who was following him saw the head clearly on the ground. He was furious and rushed towards Nye Tian recklessly. A phantom of a long knife appeared in his hand, piercing straight out, and the powerful momentum made the surrounding air whistling. Second level of Yuan Ling. Nye Tian noticed that the thin man in black was not weak, but he only frowned slightly, and immediately stepped on his foot, and together with Urushi, he cleverly avoided the fatal blow. Boom! The thin man in black shot out a light from his long knife, which hit the stone wall, creating a deep hole half a meter in size. Is Yuan Ling a soldier spirit? Nye Tian looked at the thin man in black and smiled faintly. Warrior spirits are mainly divided into three categories: beast spirits, wood spirits, and soldier spirits. Beast spirits are primordial spirits like various spirit beasts, such as earth storm bears, fire cloud cheetahs, saber-toothed gray wolves, etc. This kind of Yuan Ling tends to attack, which can bring great strength to the warrior. The wood spirit is similar to the spirit of some plants, such as ghost thorn vine, nine-leaf lanji, six-soul poisonous flower, etc. This kind of Yuan Ling tends to control, and when it cooperates with other warriors, it can better reflect the power of wood spirits. Soldier spirits, Yuan spirits with the same weapons, such as giant swords, long knives, sledgehammers, bows, and arrows, etc. This kind of Yuan Ling is the rarest, with extremely strong attack power, and is the most powerful existence among warriors of the same level. There are also various mutated primal spirits, ghost spirits, foreign spirits, dead spirits, etc., which are even rarer, none in a million. The Yuan Ling of the lean man in black is a long sword, considered a strong man of the same level. Even if he meets a third-level Yuan Ling warrior, he is enough to fight. You son of a bitch, you still have some eyesight. You killed my third brother. Today I will cut you into pieces, and use your dog's head to comfort my third brother's soul in heaven. How could a martial artist with a 9-level pulse kill a fat man with a first-level Yuan Ling? He was already dazzled by hatred, and the phantom of the long knife in his hand slashed out violently, vowing to kill Nye Tian. Does the scum of the second level of Yuan Ling want to kill me? Nye Tian was not afraid at all. A warrior of the second level of Yuan Ling could only use Yuan Ling, but he could not exert the true power of Yuan Ling at all. If the opponent is the peak of Yuan Ling 9th layer or a Vientiane martial artist, Nye Tian may still be a little bit afraid, but now, he will not pay attention to him at all. The poison of the soul-devouring flower in Nye Tian's body has been released, and he is backed by the star power of the 10th Yuan Mai, which is almost equivalent to awakening Yuan Ling. Swipe! A blade glow flew over, and Nye Tian stepped on Rui Fei Hong's steps and easily avoided them. Urushi, stay here and don't move. Nye Tian could no longer carry Missouri Rushi close to his body. The thin man in black was eager to kill him, and Urushi would only be more dangerous if he followed him. Urushi nodded obediently. It was the first time she saw such a fierce fighting scene, and it was already very good to be able to be so calm. Second brother, don't be impulsive, this kid is a bit weird. The boss of the man in black put the fat man's head aside, stepped over, and a phantom of a green tree appeared behind him. The lean man in black lost his sword twice in a row and immediately calmed down a lot. It is not easy for a martial artist of the 9th level of Yuan Mai to be able to avoid his sharp knife. Wood spirit, Yuan Ling triple. Nye Tian was also shocked when he saw the phantom tree behind the boss in black. The Yuan Ling, the boss of the man in black, is a wood spirit, and his strength is not weak. Once he controls Yuan Ling and cooperates with the thin black man's long knife Yuan Ling to attack, Nye Tian will be in danger. The boss of the man in black and the lean man in black looked at each other and nodded. The thin man in black circled to the other side of Nye Tian, forming horns with the boss of the man in black, and slowly approached Nye Tian. These two have a tacit understanding. One wants to control me, and the other wants to attack me. I have to be careful. Nye Tien was a little more cautious. The two men in black cooperate frequently, and they can understand each other's thoughts with a glance at each other. Schwa! The boss of the man in black made a move without any warning, and the phantom of the tree suddenly stretched out, like a big hand, and grabbed Nye Tien. Do you want to control me? Nye Tien sneered, stomped hard, jumped up high, and then slapped out, attacking the thin man in black. The lean man in black has stronger attack power. As long as he can be dealt with, Nye Tien will not be afraid of being controlled by the man in black's boss. Ah! The thin man in black yelled strangely. He didn't expect Nye Tien to attack him in this situation. Caught off guard, he stabbed hastily but failed to avoid Nye Tien's attack. Bang! The lean man in black flew upside down and smashed hard into the stone wall. After landing, a mouthful of blood spurted out wildly. God of War 9 layers kill, the power is not bad. Nye Tien landed steadily and smiled lightly. Being able to let him use the moves of the 9 Extremes God of War art again, the thin man in black is considered a worthy defeat. Second brother, you go and kill that little girl, I'll deal with this kid. The boss of the man in black was very cunning and said to the thin man in black, Want to draw my attention away? Nye Tien smiled lightly. How could he not know what the boss in black was thinking? Letting the thin man in black deal with Mo Rushi was obviously to distract Nye Tien. Unfortunately, Nye Tien was not worried about Mo Rushi. The skinny man in black was hit by Nye Tien's God of War 9-layer killer. If he didn't die, he would have to peel off his skin, and his combat power would drop by at least half. Mo Rushi, don't be afraid of him, he is not your opponent. Nye Tien shouted and gave Mo Rushi a confident look. When Mo Rushi saw Nye Tien fighting hard just now, she wanted to go up to help, but she was afraid that she would become a burden to Nye Tien, so she didn't go up to fight. Now that the thin man in black took the initiative to come to her, even if she tried her best, she would not back down. Little brat, you are so thoughtful. Seeing that the plot had been seen through, the boss of the man in black yelled angrily, no longer waited, and shot directly. The green trees condensed into a giant claw of dead wood, grabbing at Nye Tien. Is it this move again? Nye Tien smiled contemptuously, and without dodging or dodging, he punched out, resisting the attack of the boss in black. The giant claws of the deadwood fell, but Nye Tien felt a strange throbbing in his body at this moment. This is... Nye Tien's face suddenly changed, and he immediately revealed ecstasy. Stinky boy, you can still laugh at this time, you are looking for death. Seeing Nye Tien's strange expression, the boss of the man in black suddenly felt insulted, and the giant claws of the deadwood became more violent and even more powerful. The power of the second star is about to awaken. Nye Tien didn't care about the attack of the boss in black at all, and the smile on his face became even stronger.